Good morning, students. How are you? Hope that you all are fine and enjoying and completing your work. In today's class, we are going to continue our concept of class 8, that is exponents and power. And in each this exercise, we will continue our work. Student, I hope that you have done your work in previous classes. In today's class, we are going to take the example number, we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 12.1. The question is 25 into t raised to power minus 4 upon 5 raised to power minus 3 into 10 into t raised to power minus 8. Now how can we solve it? This 25 can be written as or we can do it that it can be written as 5 into t raised to power minus 4, 5 raised to power minus 3 into 5 cancel to 5 and the result is 2 into t raised to power minus 8. Now 5, this we use a multiplicative inverse of this and it can be written as 5 raised to power 3 into t raised to power minus 4 plus 8 with upon 2, and here we can write, we have to simplify it. So 5 it will be 625 into upon 2 t raised to power 4. Students, I am again repeating, this 25 is cancelled out by 10. 5 5 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10. It can be written 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4, 5 raised to power minus 3 into 2 into t raised to power minus 8. Here we will apply the law of division, that is am upon an is equal to am minus n. In this way we can attempt in, or in this way we can do it. Now we will solve it and find the answer. When minus 4 plus 8, the result is 4, and 5 and 3 and 1. We have to simplify it, so no need to add the power, we have just expanded it, and the result is 625 upon 2 t raised to power 4. Any doubt, students? If any doubt, then please again same thing, please get in contact with me either by WhatsApp number or phone number or whatever source you want to meet. Or this one is seventh question, second part, 3 raised to power minus 5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 into 125 and 5 raised to power minus 7 into 6 raised to power minus 5. How can we do it? There are different alternatives to solve it. How can we do it? First of all, I can write it 3 raised to power minus 5 into 10 can be written as 2 into 5 raised to power minus 5, and 120 can be written as 5 raised to power 3, and in denominator minus 7 raised to power minus 7 into 2 into 3 raised to power minus 5. How can we do it? 3 raised to power minus 5 into 2 raised to power minus 5 into 5 raised to power minus 5 into 5 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power minus 7 into 2 raised to power minus 5 into 3 raised to power minus 5. Now how can we do it? Yes students, this one and this one, here we will apply the law of division. It will be 3 minus 5 plus 5. This negative become, this minus 5 one will become positive. In this way same, 2 into minus 5 plus 5. This is solved, and this is 5 to minus 5 plus 3 and plus 7. It can be written as it can be written as 5 raised to power 5, it can be written as 2 raised to power 0, and it can be written as 3 raised to power 0. What will be the result? The result will be 1 into 5 raised to power 5 means 3 1 2 5, and the result is 3 1 2 5. I am explaining it again students. 10 raised to power minus 5 can be written as 2 into 5. We have to factorize the terms. 10, because 10 is not a prime number, so 10 will be factorized and it can be written as 2 into 5 raised to power minus 5. Similarly 6 can be written as 2 into 3 raised to power minus 5. We will write it separately. 3 raised to power minus 5, 2 raised to power minus 5, 5 raised to power minus 5, 5 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power minus 7, 2 raised to power minus 5, 3 raised to power minus 5, and so on. Now 3 raised to power minus 5, it will be, here we will use the multiplicative inverse, or we will use the reciprocated of it, then it will become added. We use the law of division, they will be added. Similarly 2 raised to power minus 5 plus 5, the result is 0. In the same way here we will use the 5 into 7 plus 3, 10, 10 minus 5, 5, and when we will use it, expand it, because we have to simplify it, then the answer will be 5 raised to power 5 means 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 25 into 5, 125 into 5, 625 into 5, 3 1 2 5. In this way we will attempt these two questions students. If you have any doubt, any confusion, any problem, then you can ask me from students. Have you any doubt, any confusion student? I think no. If you have any problem, then you can talk to me. So students, we are winding we are not winding up this class. We are going to introduce the new concept, one of the concept that is the scientific notation. We will start this class, we will add this video in next class, that yes student, our next topic is use of exponent to express small numbers in standard form. In class 7th we have already represent a very large number in standard form in scientific notation. Students, in class 7th we have already learned about the scientific notation. In today's class we also, and we know that when we express is 2.5 into 10 raised to power 2, it is called the standard form. This is called the standard form. We all have learned about that in class 7th. So here are few steps which we will follow to write the numbers in standard form. Okay, So from tomorrow class we will start this scientific notation. Okay, today we have finished this. Okay, thank you students. Thanks a lot. Hope that waiting for your subscription, your like, your comment and your watching. Thanks a lot students.